Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to the Amready Test Kitchen. Today we're going to talk about almond paste, and I'm going to cover 4 of our top selling versions that we offer. First, we're going to start off with item number 1. This was Amready's first product that we ever made and offered to our customers. It is our premium blanched almond paste. This almond paste is made using the traditional European style, so it's ultra smooth. It has our highest amount of almonds and has a robust almond flavor profile. With the robust almond flavor profile, it gives it the great opportunity to be combined with other ingredients and still shine through in your finished product. Our premium blanched almond paste is ideal for baking applications, for fillings, for frangipane, for Danish and croissant fillings, almond horns, the amaretti Italian cookies. It can also be used to make marzipan. Next up on our list is our item number 153, which is our European style almond paste. It is made in the same fashion that our premium blanched almond paste is, in that traditional European style, so it's ultra smooth. It has a high amount of almond in it, but what's nice about this one, it has a more mellow almond flavor profile, so you're able to eat this one just as it is. You can use it in the same kind of applications as our premium blanched almond paste, so it's great for baking, for fillings, croissants, danishes, and anything that you can think of. Now we're going to move on to our item number 2, which is our almond modeling marzipan. This product also has a high level of almonds in it and a lower sugar flavor profile. It is ideal to be consumed as a confection. We often see it used for figurines, holiday fruits, and decorative items. When you're working with this marzipan, if you're wanting to add color, we highly suggest utilizing molds and then airbrushing. Due to the high amount of almond in this product, sometimes it doesn't incorporate correctly and you can have an inconsistent product. Lastly, we're going to talk about our item number 116, our white modeling marzipan, which is one of our easiest products to deal with. It is an ideal product for decorating as it doesn't oil out as you work with it and it takes on color really easily. We see it mostly utilized, rolled out super thin to cover princess cakes and petit fours. We also see it used in sheeting, but also to make name placards for cakes. You will notice when you open up this product, it has a great ivory color. As you begin working with it, rolling it out, it develops a nice sheen to it that is almost opalescent. Another great quality about this product is if you leave it on the counter or you leave it in the refrigerator or if it's accidentally open for some reason, you don't have to worry about it drying out. Our white modeling marzipan was an all-time favorite of one of the former executive chefs of the White House. He would use it during the holiday season as decorative items on the gingerbread houses. All of our almonds are locally sourced here in California, and we have them shipped to our plant here in Oxnard, California, where we make fresh batches every week. We package our almond paste in a variety of pack sizes to fit your specific needs. So we have our 1-pound pack size, we have our 10-pound tubs, and we offer it in the 33.5 and our 50-pound boxes. We are able to provide these products to everyone, from our small home bakers to our hotels and restaurants, all the way up to our industrial manufacturers. For each of our almond pastes on order basis, we can produce custom, natural without preservative versions of these items. Beyond the 4 products that we discussed today, Amready does make many styles of almond paste, including kernel style. Amready has the highest level of SQF food safety certification for quality and manufacturing, and all of our products are certified kosher. If you're looking for more information about our different styles of almond paste, or you're an industrial manufacturer interested in volume discounts, please feel free to reach out to us by emailing us at info@amready.com or giving us a call at 1-800-AMREADY. Our knowledgeable customer service team is here to help you with any of your needs, so feel free to reach out to us at any time. Thank you for joining us today here in the Amready Test Kitchen, and we'll catch you next time.